Hello friends, in this video I am going to write the code to print numbers from 1 to 10 by using for next loop in basic256. Before we write the code, we need to understand what is loop and why we use it. In some situations, we need to repeat execution of statements. In that case, we use loop. Looping statements help us to repeat execution of statements until a certain condition is fulfilled. A statement written within a loop is called a block of statement. Each time a block of statements executed is known as iteration. There are three types of loop: for next loop, while and while loop, do until loop. In this video, we are going to print number from 1 to 10 using for next loop. For any loop, we require the following: start of the loop variable, end of the loop, that is condition, statement to execute, steps to increment the loop. Now let's see how to print 1 to 10 using for next loop. Now I am going to write the code. First at CLS, clear our screen, and then at the start of loop variable, I am taking I, you can take any variable, and writing a statement to execute for I equal to 1 to 10. This is the condition I set. In next line I will print I to print number from 1 to 10. In next line I will write next I, and in the end of the program I will write and to end the program. Let's run the program. You can click on run, otherwise click on F5. You can see the number printed from 1 to 10 by for next loop. Let us see how it works. First I take the start of the loop variable, that is I, and it's initialized by the value of 1 and it goes up to 10. This statement is within the loop, and this statement means print I, it will print the value of I, that is 1, and it goes here. Next time means it will increase the value of I by 1, and the controls goes here, and it compares the value with 10. If it is less than value of 10, it again execute the statement, and the print I means it will again print the value of I, that is 2. Next time means it will increase the value of I by 1, which is 2, and the control goes here, and it compares the value with 10. If it is not equal to 10, it will again execute a statement. This print I means it will again print the value of I, that is 2, and next time means it will again increase the value of I by 1, which is 3, and this process goes on continuously until the value of I is less than equal to 10. Thank you.